the thing that I found about competition is you wouldn't compete with somebody else unless you'd already decided they were somehow greater than you. We're taught that we need to compete to get ahead. We're taught that we need to compete against other people in order to survive, but then now we're in survive mode. And the thing that I found about competition is you wouldn't compete with somebody else unless you'd already decided they were somehow greater than you. And so what we do in Access is I would go everywhere you decided they were greater than you, will you destroy and uncreate all of that. So we have this clearing statement thing that has the ability to go back to wherever you created an insane point of view or a limited point of view and ask it to dissolve. It's based on the idea like the wall looks solid, but science says it's 99.999% space. Well, it looks like a wall though, so excuse me, but what if the limitations in your life are the same way? It looks like a wall, but by one choice, you could ask the consciousness of you, the you that is conscious, and to go back and change the unconscious choices that you've made, which changes the present and also changes the future. So what I would do is I'd go everywhere you decided anybody was greater than you and all the people you've been trying to compete with, rather than allow them to acknowledge what is great about you that you're not acknowledging, will you destroy, which means destroy the structure, and will you uncreate, which means take your creative energy out of that bullshit that's not getting you anywhere so we can put it somewhere creative.
Please share away. Thank you so much. Stay inspired to evolve.